Hey guys, Unknown here, and today we're going to be installing the rear sway bar for the Mark 8 GTI. We're currently at Cali Ceramics. Shout out Chris for helping us out. Realistically, you don't need a lift. It makes it a lot easier to do installs and make sure it's proper and level. Currently got the box here for the rear sway bar, and we also got Endlinks right here. These are Spherical Motorsport Endlinks from 034. All right, let's get the unboxing, guys. 1, 2, 3. This is the sway bar. Look at this. Sheesh. Has the 034 sticker right there. Here is the 034 Endlinks. They're not really together yet, but yeah, it says right there 034. Man, these are spherical, really nice, goes well with the black hardware that we got. These are the bushings for the sway bar. All right guys, really straightforward here. So essentially we're gonna take off Endlinks. If I'm not mistaken, it's 2 13s on each side. We have to take off the shield, and then after that, triple squares right here. I believe it's a 6mm, and this is the sway bar. It's really straightforward. You're also gonna take off this little plastic piece right here. We're just gonna lower the exhaust a little bit. Technically you don't have to, but realistically, my exhaust slightly misaligned, just very slight. This side's a little bit lower.
I'm pretty sure they're M12s.
We're gonna do.
There's a top lid.
Yeah.
All right, boys and girls. OEM Endlinks. Damn, these Endlinks are so. Dude, this is small compared to the 034 one. We'll dry ice this one way or another.
If you like it or not.
One like, guys, one like, and I'll run exhaust like that. All right, guys, it's finally done. We now have the Endlinks Spherical, and we also have the rear sway bar, full solid. Should be a 24. Now it is fully installed, tucked behind all this plastic. But yeah, and then torqued it to spec. We got 28 Newton meters, 35 Newton meters, and 45 Newton meters.